Top 5 AI tools to make money in 2025. ChatGPT. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. From writing YouTube scripts, blogs, and ebooks to building entire courses, ChatGPT is the ultimate content partner. Many are making $500, $2,000 per month just using it on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Gumroad. Opus Clip. Number 2. Opus Clip. This AI tool takes your long videos or podcasts and automatically chops them into viral shorts. Great for content creators, coaches, and faceless channels. More videos, more views, more money. Midjourney. Coming in third, Midjourney and DALL-E. These AI art tools generate stunning digital artwork which you can sell on Etsy, Redbubble, or use for print, on-demand t-shirts, journals, and more. ElevenLabs. Fourth is ElevenLabs, the most human-like AI voice generator available. Use it to create audiobooks, sell voiceovers on Fiverr, or dub your YouTube videos into other languages to grow a global audience. Pika Labs. And finally, Pika Labs and Runway. These tools turn text into cinematic AI videos, ideal for storytelling, faceless channels, and product ads. You don't need a camera, just type your idea and it creates your content. These 5 tools are revolutionizing online income in 2025. Whether you're building a side hustle or a full business, AI can give you a head start. Want a full tutorial on any of these tools? Drop a comment below, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe.